So we're going to look here at patch head filtering. Hopefully this is an option that if you don't know about it, it's going to save you a bit of time when you're searching for your fixtures when you're patching up your show. So first of all, we're going to go into our patch window, and as usual, when you want to patch a fixture, you go to choose head. This shows you our fixture library. There's just over 21,000 fixtures in there at the moment, so it's quite a big long list to look at. Obviously you know you can search by typing on your keyboard, but if you have a look over on the A encoder on the left hand side, you'll see an option there called filter. If you click the button there once, it will show you what's already patched in your show. So maybe actually you've got an existing show, and you just want to grab another fixture and quickly patch it. You don't want to have to search for it, so you can just see what's already in your show. I can grab one of those and now go on and patch it. If I go back to choose head again and go to filter again, if you click the button again, you'll see a live folder. Inside your live folder, you'll find your sort of more commonly used fixtures in a live situation. So they're brands like Chauvet, Roby, Claypaky and so on. Click the button again, you'll find the film TV folder. Inside there, again, fixtures you're going to find in that sort of environment. So brands like Kinoflow, Arri and so on in there. If we click the filter button again, you'll now find a user folder. Inside that user folder, you can tag whatever fixture you like to appear in that folder. So maybe as a rental company or a venue, you might own certain brand fixtures or certain model fixtures. You want to tag them to appear in that user folder. You don't care about the other 20-odd thousand fixtures on the console at this particular moment. So we can go back to the all view, and this is how we actually put something in your user folder. So we find the fixture we want to put in that folder. So let's go and find a manufacturer, let's say Color Kinetics for example, and let's say we own a Color Blaze fixture. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cursor over to that fixture. I'm not going to click on it and select it, just going to cursor over to it like so. And now I've got my cursor over there. I'm now going to hit the tag user button over on the right hand side here. So I hit tag user, and you can see it will set the tag for that particular fixture. If it's got more than one mode, it will tag all modes of that fixture. So that's now tagged in our user folder. I can go back to filter over on the left hand side here, change that to user, and you can see now Color Kinetics appears in that folder, and inside there just the one fixture I tagged. This is a desk setting, so even if I start a new show off, so I go set up new show and go back to my patch filtering, it's a desk setting, so anything you've stored in that user folder will remain in that folder. It does actually save that as a CSV file on the console. So for example, maybe you own or you use 3 or 4 different Camsys systems. You don't want to have to repeat that process every time in all of those systems. So you can do it once on one system, take that CSV file and copy to your other systems. Where do you find that file? It's in your heads folder. So if I go to file and let's say open show folder, so if I can find that here, open show folder. Inside my show folder you'll find a folder in there, your heads folder. So hopefully if I look in the list here, you can find there's my heads folder here. Inside there you should find a CSV file called userheads.csv. You can simply take that, you can copy it to USB and then go and paste it in the same location on either another PC system or on a console. Exactly the same location on a console needs to go inside the heads folder. So that's patch head filtering, hopefully an extra feature for MagicQ. It will save you a little bit of time when you're actually trying to search for your fixture.